Okay, so the first step in implementing this technique would be to find a quiet place, a place that you're comfortable in. I usually prefer my bedroom. Um, I usually like to sit in my recliner and recline back, let my feet up. I usually like to get dark in here, but because of the video, of course, I can't have it dark. But I usually, close my shades or my blinds, and then like it to be dark. A lot of times, I usually um, listen to this mostly on my way to sleep. It helps me fall asleep faster, help me stay asleep all night. So usually, this is when I usually implement this technique. But once you find your comfortable place, quiet place, um, whichever's comfortable for you, you prefer to lay down, sit up, that's totally up to you. Um, I usually go to one of the YouTube channels and find rainforest or thunderstorm or something like that that I like. I usually find one that lasts for 8 hours or more. But they have a variety of different ones on YouTube, or you can even purchase um, a CD with the different sounds of your choice. You can also purchase those. I do own a couple of those, but since I found the different ones on YouTube, I prefer going there instead. Then once you find um, your preferred sound, natural sound or nature sound, and like I said, I usually like the rain, thunderstorm, uh, waterfall. That's usually my thing. In particularly, not too fond of like the birds chirping or anything like that. But whichever is more calming or soothing for you is of your choice. Um, Once you find your quiet place or comfortable place you prefer, usually I just usually lay back, close my eyes, and then I just try to immerse myself in the sound. I could, my most fondest memory of thunderstorm and rainstorm, particularly why I think I enjoy it, is because it just reminds me of my childhood being at grandma's house. I remember, it raining and hearing the rain, hitting the rooftop, and it's just a fond memory of me being at grandma's house. So I think that's why I particularly like this one. You could just whichever one you just try to immerse yourself in that sound or in that environment, and then just I try to either sometimes I feel like feel the rain and different things. Um, and you just try to, clear your mind of all the other thoughts, especially negative thoughts and different things like that. Um, just try to relax your body and just enjoy the sounds of the natural nature sounds that you prefer. And you can listen to this for 30 minutes, an hour, sometimes on a lunch break or anything like that. I've even done it. I used to work night shift at one of the hospitals. I used to, my 30-minute break, get my earphones, turning on something like this. It just, it's a great relaxation tool to use. But like I said, uh, just the, the the purpose of it is just to clear your mind of all thoughts. Try to clear your mind of your day to day, what you have to do for the rest of the day, what you didn't do yesterday, and different things like that. Um, just for that 30 minutes or hour, or like I say, on your way to sleep, just try to clear your mind of everything, relax your body, and enjoy the nature and natural sounds. I hope everybody enjoyed my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.